Pemirsa,
Viewers,
Bribda
Bribda
Dirja
Dirja
Pratama,
Pratama,
anggota
a
Polda
member of the
Sulawesi
South
Selatan,
Sulawesi
tewas
Police, was
dianiaya
killed
oleh
by his
seniornya.
senior.
Ayah
The
korban
victim's
yang
father, who is
juga
also an
seorang
active
polisi
police
aktif,
officer,
menemukan
found
sejumlah
several
luka
bruises
lebam
on his
di
child's body.
bagian tubuh
Police have
anaknya.
now named
Polisi
one
kini telah
suspect and
menetapkan
are
satu
investigating
tersangka
the
dan
involvement
mendalami
of 5
keterlibatan
other
5
personnel.
personel lainnya.
Bribda Dirja Pratama, member of the South Sulawesi Police Sabara Directorate, was killed by his senior. Bribda Dirja, who has just graduated in 2025, was persecuted in the police dormitory at South Sulawesi Police Headquarters on Jalan Perintis Kemerdekaan, Makassar. The victim's family did not know that Bribda Dirja was a victim of persecution in the police dormitory. Last Sunday morning, the victim was still communicating with his family. The family then received news that Brigadier TP had died. The victim's father, also an active police officer, noticed something strange, namely blood coming from the deceased's mouth and a number of bruises on his son's body. Since we saw the video, there are bruises on the right side of the abdomen and on the neck.
So does it indicate strong violence?
Yes, indicated because it is still inside. And there is a video of the bruises on the right side of the stomach.
What kind of initial information did you receive from the family?
Well, he never complained of pain. He contacted his mother at dawn. When she replied to his chat, there was no response. The victim mother became hysterical in front of South Sulawesi Police Chief, who had met with the family of Bribda Dirja Pratama. The victim's body was taken to the public cemetery under police escort. The family and relatives were powerless to resist during the funeral process of police officer Dirja Pratama at the Banjarapingrat Public Cemetery in South Sulawesi. The victim's mother even fainted and had to be evacuated.
The statement of one of the suspects regarding P is consistent with the result of the medical examination, but the blows to the head and other parts of the body are consistent. Therefore, we can conclude that P is the perpetrator, and we will proceed with further investigation.
The police have now named one suspect. They are still questioning 5 other members. This case also adds to the long list of allegations of violence within the police force. TV1 reports.
Bribda Dirja tewas dianiaya oleh seniornya di asrama Ditsamapta Polda Sulawesi Selatan. Satu orang sudah ditetapkan sebagai tersangka, sementara polisi masih menggali keterlibatan 5 senior lainnya. Lantas mengapa aksi perundungan di tubuh institusi penegak hukum kerap kali terjadi? Untuk membahasnya sudah bergabung bersama kami penasihat ahli Kapolri, Komjen Pol Purnawirawan Ito Sumardi. Selamat sore Pak Ito.
Good afternoon, Mr. Aditya.
Baik, Pak Ito, ini penganiayaan yang dilakukan oleh polisi kemudian di asrama polisi itu sendiri. Ini mengapa bisa terjadi kasus yang seperti ini, Pak?
Yes, I have coordinated with the South Sulawesi Police Chief, Mr. Irjen Johanidi. He said that the cause of this accident is currently being investigated. Initially, it was reported that the deceased was ill. However, after the autopsy results were found, there were indications of abuse. Then, after an investigation was conducted, a suspect was found to be a friend. This is indeed a culture that still exists among us, the Chief of Police in intensifying internal reforms. So I think cases such as those in Maluku and now internally are certainly being investigated by the provincial police chief to find out why this happened, how it happened, and of course, efforts will be made to prevent it from happening again. This is also an example of what should not happen elsewhere. It was usually like that when I graduated from the academy. There was a tradition that really had to be eliminated. how was
jangan
the
sampai
tradition
terjadi
of
di
a
tempat
junior
lain.
usually carried out?
Memang
It
biasanya
was
ya
like
seperti saya
being
pada
bullied
saat
by the
saya
seniors.
dulu lulus
Yes,
daripada
sometimes
akademi
there were
itu
resistance
ada
and so
semacam
on.
tradisi
But
yang
what
memang
is being
harus dihilangkan ya.
investigated thoroughly
Bagaimana
is whether
tradisi
the
seorang junior itu
perpetrator was
biasanya
just one person,
dilakukan upaya
or are
seperti
there 5 more
istilahnya
people
dikerjain
who
lah ya
are
sama
currently
seniornya.
under
Ya,
investigation
kadang-kadang ya mungkin
who were
ada
involved
perlawanan dan
or
sebagainya.
perhaps
Tapi yang
protecting
sedang
them?
dilakukan
Because this
penyelidikan
happened
mendalam
at the
adalah apakah
dormitory at
pelakunya
the
hanya
South
satu
Sulawesi
orang
Regional Police
ataukah ada lagi
Headquarters.
dari 5
So
orang
I
yang
think this is
sedang dilakukan
something that
pemeriksaan,
needs to be
mereka turut
investigated
serta atau
further.
mungkin
And I'm
melindungi
sure
ya, karena
it
ini
has
kan
been
di
investigated
asrama
by
ya,
our
di
friends
asrama
at the South Sulawesi
Mako,
Regional Police
Mako daripada
Headquarters,
Polda
who
Sulawesi
sent
Selatan.
the
Jadi
last
saya
message,
kira
which
hal ini
seemed
juga yang
like it
akan
was
harus
the final
didalami
message.
dan saya yakin sudah
Well,
didalami oleh
this will
teman-teman
be
di
further
Polda
investigated
Sulsel
via
yang
WhatsApp,
bersangkutan kan mengirim
including
pesan
when it
terakhir
was
ya,
sent
yang seorang
and
pesan
the
terakhir.
time of
Nah,
death
ini nanti
of the
akan
victim based
didalami
on the
dari
autopsy
WA
results.
ya kapan
So
dikirimkannya
later,
dengan
we will be
waktu
able to see
kematian
whether
dari
the
korban dari
deceased
hasil
sent
autopsi.
the message after
Sehingga
his
nanti
death
akan bisa
or
dilihat
before
apakah
his death.
memang almarhum itu
Well,
mengirimkan
I
pesan
think
sesudah
several things will be
meninggal
the focus
ataukah
on the
sebelum meninggal.
investigation by
Nah,
Propam
saya
rather
kira
than the head of
beberapa hal yang
Propam
akan
from
menjadi
the South
fokus
Sulawesi
dari
Regional
pemeriksaan di
Police,
Propam daripada
which is
Kabit
currently being
Propam dari
carried out.
Polda Sulawesi
That's it,
Selatan sekarang
Mr.
sedang
Aditya.
dilakukan.
That's
Ya.
the
Itu
preliminary
demikian Mas Aditya
information.
sementara
Pak, itu tadi
informasi.
yang
Okay,
sempat
sir.
katakan
You
ketika Anda
mentioned
baru lulus
earlier
dari
that when you
kepolisian, dari
graduated from the
akademi
police
kepolisian
academy
atau
or the police academy or the
sekolah
non-commissioned
calon bintara
officer
misalnya,
candidate
bahwa
school, for
aktif
example,
demikian ini menjadi
does such
sebuah
action
tradisi
have
dan budaya.
become a
Sebetulnya
tradition
seperti
or
apa sih, Pak,
culture?
gambaran budaya
Actually,
dan
when
tradisi
exactly do you
yang
mean
Anda
by
maksud tadi, Pak?
culture and tradition, sir?
Ya,
Well, between
antara
senior and
dan
juniors,
junior,
we
dulu
were
kan
still
kita
in
masih
Indonesian
ABRI
Army
ya.
Force,
Saya
and
kan
I was
dulu
in the
kan
military
AKABRI.
academy.
Ya.
It was
Yaitu
very
satu hal
common
yang
to
sangat
provide
lumrah untuk
motivation,
bagaimana
so
memberikan
that there
namanya
would be courage
motivasi
and
supaya
other
ada
things.
keberanian
There may also be
dan lain mungkin
disciplinary
ada juga
measures
penindakan
that
yang
are not
intinya untuk
included
disiplin.
in the
Tapi itu
SOP.
semua
And
tidak ada
actually,
dalam
according
SOP
to
ya.
the
Dan
regulation,
sebetulnya
it is
kalau
prohibited.
menurut
Right?
ketentuan
As I said
dilarang ya.
earlier,
Tapi
there
kan
is a
ya
tradition
tadi
in
yang saya
educational
katakan bahwa
institution to
ada
encourage
tradisi pada saat
the
dia sedang
student
di
to be
tempat
brave,
pendidikan ya,
disciplined, and so on.
supaya dia menjadi
However,
berani,
there are no
kemudian
standard in
disiplin dan lain
education.
sebagainya.
It is just a
Tetapi
tradition. The
standarnya
same
sebetulnya
thing
dalam
happens when
pendidikan tidak ada,
students
itu hanya
graduation, Mas
tradisi
Aditya.
saja.
It's
Nah,
usually
pada
juniors
saat
are
lulus
pranked
juga
by their
sama Mas
seniors.
Aditya ya, biasanya junior ini dikerjain sama seniornya.
Well,
Nah,
sometimes
kadang-kadang
it's too
terlalu
much.
berlebih
There
ya.
are many other
Banyak
things that
hal-hal
will
yang lain yang
currently
tentunya
have to
nanti
be
harus
revealed through
diungkap
the
ya melalui
investigation
hasil
of the
pemeriksaan daripada
perpetrator,
pelaku
as
ya,
well as the
pelaku yang
perpetrator
diduga
who is
melakukan
suspected
penganiayaan
of
dan
enrichment and
apa
what his motive
motifnya
was.
ya,
We
kita sendiri
ourselves
kan
know,
tahu ya.
especially since
Apalagi
they
kan
are
sesama
fellow
anggota
police
polisi
officer and
dan
husband
anaknya
of a
polisi
police
juga ya.
officer. I
Saya
think this
kira
is
ini
something
satu
that
hal yang
shall
tidak
not
boleh
happen
terjadi
again and
lagi
must be
dan harus
completely
betul-betul
eliminated.
dihilangkan
In the current
di
process
dalam
of reforming
proses
the national
reformasi
police,
Polri
what
yang
has
saat
been
ini sedang
discussed by the
dijalankan ya.
National Police
Di
Chief
dalam
Expert
apa yang
Advisory
telah
Team
dibahas
together
oleh
with the National Police
tim penasihat
International
ahli Kapolri bersama
Reform
dengan tim
Team is
reformasi internal
actually
Polri ini
included in the
sebetulnya
points.
ada dalam
We must
poin-poinnya
not
ya. Kita
commit
tidak boleh
abuse
melakukan
either externally or
penganiayaan baik
internally.
keluar maupun ke
But
dalam.
I think
Tapi
it's difficult,
ya
Mas
saya kira
Aditya.
sulit ya Mas
If
Aditya
within
ya
a
kalau
unit that
di
happens to
dalam
be,
satu
they
kesatuan yang
both
kebetulan
come from the
mereka
same
sama-sama
police force
berasal
or
dari
military unit,
satu
for
kesatuan
example,
kepolisian
and
ataupun
this is still
militer
happens a
misalnya,
lot.
ini masih banyak
Well,
terjadi. Nah, ini
this is
tentunya harus
certainly
tidak boleh
should not
terjadi.
happen.
Yang
What
yang
needs to be
harus
explored is
didalami
what the
adalah
motivation
motivasinya
is.
apa.
What the motive
Motifnya
is.
apa?
Well, just
Nah,
have
itu
to
yang
wait
mungkin
for the
kita tunggu
result
saja
of the
hasil dari
investigation,
pemeriksaan.
sir.
Baik.
Okay, I think the tradition of seniority to
Membentuk
shape the spirit
jiwa
or
atau
mentality
mentalitas,
for Bradley
saya rasa
Actress
mungkin
in
terjadi di
almost all
hampir semua
institutions,
institusi
but when
gitu ya.
it
Tapi
leads to
ketika sampai
death,
menyebabkan
that is
kematian, itu yang
ultimately
akhirnya
regrettable.
disayangkan kan.
Ya,
Yes, that's
betul,
right.
betul. Itu
That's
yang
what
terjadi kan
happened.
kita
We
sendiri
ourselves
kan
have
mengikuti
experienced
beberapa
this
kali
several
sudah lama
times.
lah,
It's
baik
been a
di
long
tempat
time good in
lembaga
the place of
pendidikan ya,
educational institution.
baik
Both
itu lembaga pendidikan
non-commissioned and
perwira,
officers
bintara, itu
are
sama
the same
terjadi
as
seperti
it
itu
happened,
kejadiannya.
and this
Dan
should
ini kan
not
nggak
be
boleh diteruskan
continued.
karena tradisi
Because this
ini
tradition is
sebetulnya menurut
actually
saya
very
sangat tidak
educational,
mendidik
in
dan
my opinion, and my
berisiko mungkin akan
resulting in
infantilism.
korban jiwa ya,
Yeah, there
bahkan
may
mungkin
even be
ada
some
yang
who
tidak
don't
berani
dare to
melapor ya
report,
kalau di
yeah,
pendidikan
if it is
misalnya
an
kan.
education, for
Tapi
example,
kemudian
but then
dia
he keeps it.
memendam, akhirnya
Finally,
dia
he committed
melakukan bunuh diri
suicide,
misalnya
for
ya. Itu
example.
salah satu
That's
contoh
one
beberapa
example of
kasus.
several
Nah,
cases.
kalau untuk
Well,
kasus
for
ini
this
yang
case, the
Bribda
BBDA
DP ini kan dia
DP
baru
is
lulus
only
tahun
going to graduate in
2025. Ya
2025.
biasalah
Is
kalau
a
anak
normal
baru
if
itu
the
kan
new child is a
junior
junior,
kemudian sama senior
then the
seniornya
same
kan
senior
mungkin
may be
dikerjain ya.
work,
Tapi
but too
terlalu
much
berlebih
can
bisa
be
saja
done.
ya kita
We
sering lihat
often
lah di
see it on
televisi itu ya
television or
atau
in
di
television
media-media
media.
televisi
How to be
bagaimana
treated from senior
perlakuan
to
daripada
junior.
senior kepada
So, will this
juniornya.
be allowed?
Nah,
Of
ini
course not,
apakah
because
akan
it's one of
dibiarkan?
the
Tentunya
items
tidak,
of the
karena di
reform,
dalam
the
salah
national
satu
police,
butir
which has been
reformasi
compiled by the current
Polri yang
internal
telah
reform
disusun
team
oleh
of the
tim
national
reformasi
police.
internal Polri saat
It's
ini itu
really
adalah
prohibited.
betul-betul
It is prohibited
dilarang
and the
ya, dilarang dan
consequences are
konsekuensinya
severe.
berat. Jadi
So
saya
I
kira
guess
nanti
later, the
bagi
perpetrator
pelakunya ini
must
juga
also
sudah
be
harus siap
prepared to
menerima
face serious
konsekuensi berat
consequences
ya, selain
in addition
dia
to the assault and
penganiayaan dan
criminal
unsur
charges
pidananya
that may
juga
be
bisa
brought
masuk
against
ya.
him. This
Karena
police
kan
officer
polisi
is a
ini
civil
adalah
servant.
ASN ya.
We are
Nah,
just
kita
waiting at the
menunggu saja
moment.
saat ini
Provincial
Kapolda
police chief has been
betul-betul
very
sudah
transparent. He
sangat
has visited the
transparan ya.
victim's
Beliau
family
sudah
because
mendatangi
coincidentally,
keluarga
the victim's
korban
father
karena
is
juga
also a member
kebetulan
of the
ayahnya
Indonesian
korban itu
National
adalah
Police, and the regional police
anggota
chief has
Polri
promised
juga ya, dan
that
Kapolda
this
sudah
case will
menjanjikan
be
bahwa
investigated
kasus ini akan
transparently and
diusut
of
secara
course will be
transparan
made
dan
public
tentunya akan
so that this does
dipublikasikan
not
juga.
happen
Jangan sampai
elsewhere.
ini terjadi di
That's
tempat
right, sir.
lain.
Baik.
Demikian Mas
Well,
Nah,
Aditya.
ini
what
kan yang
is
juga menjadi
also
sorotan bahwa
noteworthy
ayah
is that
korban
the
ini adalah
victim's father
anggota
is
Polri
also a
juga.
member of the
Artinya kan
Indonesian
anak ini
National
punya
Police. This means that this
punya
child has a
peluang lebih
greater
besar untuk
opportunity to
menceritakan ke
tell
ayahnya
his
yang
father,
sesama polisi
who is
ketika dia
also a
mendapatkan
police
penganiayaan.
officer,
Bagaimana jika
when he
ini
is
terjadi
being
tidak
abused.
punya
What if this happened to
backingan atau
someone who
keluarga yang
didn't
juga dari
have
keluarga
any
polisi,
backing
Pak Ito?
or family who were also police officers?
Iya,
Well,
tergantung ya
it
Mas ya.
depends, sir.
Pengalaman saya
In my
biasanya
experience,
kalau
usually it
memang
is
tidak
not too
terlalu
serious.
ya, tidak
It's not
terlalu itu
something
satu
that
hal yang
usually
biasanya
happens.
terjadi ya
In
di
military and
lingkungan
police circles,
militer
they
maupun
usually don't
kepolisian.
want to report
Itu
it to their
biasanya dia
parents. But when
tidak mau
something has
mengadu
already
kepada orang
happened
tuanya
and
ya,
is
tapi
too
pada
late,
saat kalau
some
sudah
people report
kejadian
it,
sudah
but
kelewatan,
others
ada
keep it
beberapa
to
yang
themselves
mengadukan,
until
tapi
someone
ada
gets
juga yang
hurt.
biasa memendam
Yes,
sampai akhirnya
we've
terjadi
seen
korbannya. Kita lihat kan beberapa kasus yang
several
sama
similar
di
cases in the military
lingkungan
lately,
militer juga ya,
and
yang
this is
beberapa
the same
baru-baru ini
case,
juga
sir.
berlaku. Dan ini sama kasusnya Mas ya. Jadi saya
So
kira
I
yang
think this tradition
tradisi-tradisi yang
between
demikian
juniors and
antara junior
seniors
dan
must be
senior ini yang
completely
harus
abolished,
betul-betul
eliminated.
dihapuskan ya.
Perhaps in
Dihilangkan
another way,
mungkin dengan
maybe
cara lain ya,
by
mungkin
providing
apakah
physical
dengan cara
training instead of
memberikan
physical
apa
punishment.
namanya
Within
fisiknya
a
bukan dengan
torture
cara
that
fisik
it could
dipukul
be given
ataupun
as
disiksa
a
ya,
kind of
tetapi bisa
motivation.
saja diberikan
This may
semacam
also
satu
be
motivasi.
harmful.
Nah, ini mungkin akan
For
menjadi
us,
pekerjaan
from the
rumah juga
advisor to the
bagi kita ya
national
dari
police
penasihat
chief
ahli
to
Kapolri
raise this case
untuk
and
mengangkat
formulate
kasus
what
ini
step can
dan
be
kita
taken
merumuskan kira-kira langkah-langkah apa yang bisa
to
dilakukan untuk
eliminate this very
menghilangkan
risky and
tradisi
very
yang
bad tradition.
sangat beresiko dan sangat tidak baik ini ya.
Baik.
Demikian.
Okay,
Ini kan
so
dari
based
hasil
on the information from the
keterangan
police
polisi,
investigator, they
penyidik
are
ini
also
sedang juga
looking into
mendalami
the involvement of 5
keterlibatan
other
5
members, right, sir?
anggota
That means
lainnya
that
gitu
when we
ya, Pak.
talk about
Artinya
abuse,
kan
it's
kalau
not
misalnya kita ngomongin
one-on-one, it is
penganiayaan,
Betul.
on
itu
one-on-one,
bukan
it's a
satu
fight.
lawan satu. Kalau
Well,
satu
there
lawan
are
satu
5 members
perkelahian. Nah,
involved
ini
in
ada
this case,
keterlibatan 5
which is
anggota yang
also
juga sedang
being
didalami.
investigated. What
Menurut
do
Anda
you
seperti
think,
apa, Pak?
sir?
Betul,
That's right.
ya itu
Yes, that
lazimnya
usually my
pengalaman saya
experience.
baik yang
But
saya
what
alami
I've
maupun juga
experienced and what
yang
several other
dialami oleh
people have
beberapa
experienced.
orang ya, yang mungkin
What we
kita
might
lihat
see in some
beberapa
cases
kasus
is that abuse
itu
is
biasanya
usually
penganiayaan
committed, for
dilakukan
example, by
misalnya
one junior member and then several
satu
senior
orang
members bully him.
junior, kemudian ada
Yes,
beberapa
bullying
seniornya
in the
yang
military and police force
membuli
is
dia
not
ya.
like
Bulinya
ordinary
tentu
bullying.
kalau di militer, di kepolisian itu bukan seperti bully biasa ya, mereka
They
dengan
use
cara
physical
yang
methods without
fisik
realizing that
yang
the
dia
victim
tidak
most
tahu
likely
bahwa
also has health
kemungkinan
problems.
besar
Is it possible that
korban itu
sometimes
juga
that his
memiliki
areas that are
kelemahan
very dangerous,
ya dalam
such as the stomach,
kesehatannya ya, apakah mungkin kadang-kadang memukul di
the
daerah-daerah
chest,
yang
and sometimes the
sangat
head? When
membahayakan,
they are
misalnya di
committing abuse,
perut ya,
they don't think
di
about the
perut, kemudian di
consequences.
dada, kadang-kadang di kepala ya. Itu kan pada saat dilakukan
And
penganiayaan mereka
sometimes,
nggak
a
berpikir
junior also
bagaimana
just stays
akibatnya
silent
ya.
because it
Dan
is considered
kadang-kadang
a
seorang
tradition
junior
until
juga
things
dia juga
happen
ya
that can
diam
cause
saja karena memang
injuries or
dianggap
serious
itu
injuries
merupakan satu
or even
tradisi
death.
sampai terjadi hal-hal
Well,
yang bisa
this happens.
menimbulkan
Well, of course, this is
luka-luka atau
the function
luka-luka
of
serius
supervision
ataupun
is that
menimbulkan
there is a
kematian
platoon
ya. Nah,
commander
ini
and
terjadi.
then
Nah,
there are his
tentunya ini adalah
colleagues who are
fungsi dari
investigating
pengawasan
whether
ya. Kan
there
di sana ada
was only
komandan
one
peletonnya,
perpetrator.
kemudian
Ya.
ada temannya. Yang sedang didalami apakah memang
Or together
pelakunya
or
hanya satu
protecting
orang
each other like that.
ataukah
Well,
bersama-sama
here's
ataukah
something interesting
saling
that we
melindungi
may
gitu.
have
Nah, di
already
sini
mentioned.
satu yang menarik mungkin kami juga sudah sampaikan dari
From the WhatsApp
hasil
message sent by the deceased to his
WA ya,
parents asking them to
almarhum
equip the
kepada
duck.
orang
Of
tuanya
course, we also
yang
need
minta
to determine
dimasakkan
whether the
itik
WhatsApp
itu ya.
message was sent
Itu
after the
tentunya
victim's death
kita
or not.
juga perlu
If
menjadi
it
salah
was
salah
sent
satu
after the
kunci
victim's
untuk
death,
masukkan
then it is
apakah
clear that there was
WA
an
itu
attempt to
dibuat
cover up the
setelah
crime, which is
waktu kematian korban ataukah
a
tidak.
violation
Kalau
of the
misalnya
Code of
setelah waktu
Ethics and a
kematian
more
korban,
serious criminal
jelas ada upaya
offense.
untuk melindungi, dan ini tentunya pelanggaran kode etik dan
Then, if
pelanggaran
it was sent
pidananya
before the
lebih berat
victim's
ya.
death, we
Baik.
also need to
Kemudian
look
kalau
at the
memang
time.
itu sebelum
As the
sebelum
time of
korban
death
meninggal
can be
dunia,
determined
nah
from
kemudian
the
kita lihat juga
bruises on the body
waktunya kan.
rather
Kan
than the
waktu
wounds and
kematian
other
itu
findings
bisa
from
dilihat
the
dari
autopsy.
lebam mayat ya, daripada luka-luka dan lain sebagainya.
So we
hasil
should wait
autopsi.
for Mr.
Jadi
Adi
kita
to provide
pada
more
sebaiknya
technical
nanti kita
details from
menunggu
the
ya
South
Mas
Sulawesi
Adi
Regional
untuk
Police.
penjelasan yang
Earlier,
lebih
the police chief said
teknis
that
dari
in
Polda
addition to
Sulawesi
expressing
Selatan.
his
Tadi Pak Kapolda
condolences,
menyampaikan
he
bahwa
would
beliau
promise
selain
to
menyampaikan
uncover
duka
this
cita,
case
beliau akan
if it
berjanji
would
mengungkap kasus
certainly
ini
be.
dan
In fact,
tentunya
for the National
akan
Police
menjadi
Headquarters
masukan bagi
to take
Mabes
steps to
Polri
prevent similar
untuk membuat
cases from happening
langkah-langkah
again,
agar
both
kasus
within the
serupa
police
tidak
force and
terjadi
outside
lagi
it.
ya, baik di lingkungan kepolisian maupun di luar kepolisian.
Baik.
Demikian.
Ya, untuk
This is
menjaga
good for
independensi dan
maintaining
objektivitas
independence
karena ini yang
and
pelaku juga
objectivity
adalah
because the
oknum anggota polisi juga.
perpetrator
Ini
is
seperti apa,
also a
Pak
police
Ito?
officer. What do you think, Pak Ito?
Ya,
Yes,
yang
certainly from the
pasti dari
National Police Headquarters, there
dari
is
Mabes
a
Polri
division
itu
in
kan punya
Propam, right?
di
The head of Propam
divisi
then has
Propam ya.
Paminal and will
Kadif
definitely
Propam
come down.
kemudian punya
Will come down
Paminal
and will back up
dan
the South
pasti
Sulawesi
akan turun ya.
Regional Police.
Akan
Because
turun
with the
dan akan
arrival of the National Police
membackup
Headquarters,
Polda
there
Sulsel
is an
karena
element of
dengan
objectivity
turunnya
and
dari Mabes Polri ini
independence.
kan unsur
This
daripada
will be more
objektivitas
accountable.
independensinya
Okay,
akan
I
lebih bisa
think this happened
dipertanggungjawabkan.
Baik.
at the
Saya kira
Pinrang
juga
Police
ini kan
Station.
kejadiannya di Polres
The provincial
anggotanya
police
Polres
had
Pinrang.
now taken over,
Polda
and
sekarang
of
sudah
course,
mengambil
the
alih
National
dan
Police
tentunya
Headquarters
Mabes
will
Polri
send a
pun
team
akan menurunkan tim
to
untuk bisa
assist in
mendampingi
uncovering this
agar
case
kasus ini
objectively,
bisa diungkap
thoroughly,
secara
and
objektif,
transparently, and
secara
at the same
terang
time to
benderang
make a
dan
record for the
sekaligus
National
untuk
Police
bisa menjadi
Headquarters.
catatan
Let's make
ya,
sure
catatan yang
this case doesn't happen
bagi
again,
Mabes Polri.
especially regarding
Jangan
the
sampai kasus ini bisa
perpetrators'
terjadi
modus
lagi. Tentunya dari
operandi.
modus operandi
Why did
daripada
they do it
pelakunya ya,
that way?
cara melakukannya
It could
itu
happen.
kenapa bisa
How could it
terjadi,
happen? Where
bagaimana
is the
bisa terjadi,
supervisory
di
role
mana
of the
peran
leadership,
pengawasan
namely the
daripada
commander, and what
pimpinan
factors caused the
kesatuannya
abuse?
yaitu
Was it
komandannya,
just tradition,
dan
or
ada
were
faktor
there
apa yang
other things?
menyebabkan yang bersangkutan
Yes, this is
dianiaya,
certainly
apakah
being
hanya tradisi
investigated at the
ataukah
moment.
ada hal yang
Mr.
lain ya,
Aditya,
ini
yes,
tentunya
it is
saat
being
ini sedang
investigated.
didalami ya Mas Aditya ya.
Okay,
Baik.
thank you,
Terima kasih
Expert
penasihat
Advisor
ahli
Kapol,
Kapolri Komjen Pol
retired Police
Purnawirawan Ito
Commissioner
Sumardi telah
Ito
berbagi
Sumardi, for
informasi
sharing
kepada
this
kami.
information with
Kita
us.
masih akan
We are
menunggu
still waiting to
bagaimana
see
proses
how
hukum
the
terhadap
illegal proceedings
seorang
against
oknum
one
anggota
police
polisi dan
officer
juga
will unfold,
pemeriksaan terhadap
as well as the
5
investigation
oknum anggota
of 5
polisi
other
lainnya.
police
Terima kasih.
officers. Thank
Sekali
you
lagi
once
sehat
again,
dan sukses
and we
selalu
wish you
untuk
good
Anda.
health and continued success.